Gonna get better every year.
No. No, I'm not sure that the 50th was better. I think the first was really pretty cool. I mean, you can't recap all the thrill of. I mean, we were driving up to the Poconos on our wedding day, where we were going to stay for our honeymoon, and so we pulled off the road when we were hungry, and we had chili at a truck stop. What a memory, And we're sitting there wondering, did everybody else in the truck stop notice that we had wedding bands? That was a new thing. We never had. Okay. Well, also, his dialogue or discourse are to lead us to mathematics. Argue that what really gives us a basis for knowledge is mathematics. I love it when I've had people giving presentations in STEM. That's science is the only thing we can know for true, as fact. And it comes from science. And I'm sitting there thinking, well, mathematics is not an experimental physical science. By the way, it is a science. Scientia is knowledge, body of knowledge. So a lot of people misuse science when they talk about science being the physical sciences. Because science is actually all bodies of knowledge, even like science, the study of literature, the study of fiction, etc. Those are all sciences in the sense that you have like encyclopedic knowledge about all of that kind of stuff. Scientia is just Latin for knowledge, right? Mathematicus is the Greek for scientia. So math is knowledge in Greek. But you end up then viewing the universe as kind of like a clock. Everything can be measured. And it's at this point that you start seeing these gardens all over, like the gardens of Versailles, where even the bushes are shaped like Mickey Mouse. No, that's Disney World. But in Versailles, they got shapes, because everybody wants everything to be mathematical, starting at that point. And we end up with things being like a big clock. Remember, the quiz question for today is, who was more influenced by Galileo, Descartes, or Thomas Hobbes? And let me see if I can find...
The whole movie. I don't think we have enough time here.
No, we totally do.
You're not. I think they're 4 out of the end. Yeah, well, we both went to college.
Well,
That was funny. Because to be or not to be is Hamlet, that's Shakespeare.
The world as a clock. A mechanistic view that still dominates most of the world today, and it seems to me especially you politicians.
Mechanistic. Is that a real word? Mechanistic? Mechanical? Mechanics? It's a good word.
Mechanistic, as of nature, something like a clock. You take it apart, reduce it to a number of small, simple pieces, easy to understand, analyze them, put them all back together again, and then understand more.
Isn't that what's
So
known
thank
as
you.
science?
See you on Wednesday. You're welcome to watch more of this if you like.
No, I don't think so. I'd wait.
Are you coming up, Brendan?
What?
You coming upstairs?
Maybe?
You don't have to. It's just.
University or?
I'm gonna be gone Wednesday and Monday. So on vacation.
I do that. Whoa, it's asking questions here. I hope I didn't